you can get $30 of free GPU compute every month. And this even includes H100s, H200s, and B200, the most powerful GPUs in the world. And it is not Google Colab, not Lightning.ai, but something way more powerful. And today I'm showing you the platform that has quietly become my go to for running and deploying AI projects for free. I have been using this platform for over a year now, and this has honestly become one of my favorite tools in my AI engineering workflow. And you have $30 free credit resets every single month. And yes, you can also use H100s, S200s, and even the B200 GPUs. Now, this can feel a little overwhelming at first since it is more developer focused. As you have to write Python code for Docker containerization to run your GPU compute. Or you can also get Google Colab like notebook access. But if you are looking for something simpler with a VM instance or SSH access, I have already covered Lightning.ai on this channel, and link will be in the description below. But if you are a developer and ready to level up, let's get started. And talking about the platform is model.com. This is more like a AI infrastructure for developers like us, not like the Lightning.ai. And talking about the pricing, here you can see it. This is like for the GPUs that you will use, and also like this, it will cost you for the CPUs or the memory that you use. I mean, this is something like you would only be paying for the resources that you are using. And beyond this, you are getting $30 of free credit every single month, even in a free plan. So yeah, that's really great. So first thing you have to do is register over here. You can even use your Google account. And I already have my account, so I will go to my dashboard. And upon first creating your account, you will only get 5 credits. And once you add your credit card or something payment details, it won't cost you anything. But you just have to add it over here for verification. And then after that, you'll be able to use $30 of free credit every single month. As I mentioned earlier, you can either use this platform with Python code. For that, you can just come over your docs and like just come to the examples. And if you want a detailed video about this, you can just let me know. Here you have to just deploy your Python function in Docker container and then it will run. So yeah, it's a little complicated. If you want a video on that, you can just let me know. But for simplicity, we will talking about the Google Colab like notebooks. This is like very simple. If you have ever used Google Colab, this is something like that. You just have to come to this notebook sections, just click over there and then create a new notebook. And here you will be selecting the resources. This is like reserving the minimum resources. If you want, like you can reserve minimum of one core and like minimum of let's assume 4 GB of RAM. And here is like the main thing. Here from here you will be selecting the GPU. But here for GPU, let's assume we want like A100 or maybe like H100. And once we select that, we just have to click on the save changes, and then it will just initiate our kernel. And here you can see this word while and our kernel is running now. We just it's something like Google Colab now. You can just create anything over here. And if you want to check the GPU resources, you can just, and here you can see like we have access to H100 8GB variant. And yeah, here we, and you can use this like normal Colab. And once you are done, you just come over here and terminate this. And even if you forget to terminate, this is like this will automatically terminate this. Like here you can select like either 10 minutes or 30 minutes or even like 12 hours. All right. So that was model.com. And honestly, this is why I'm using it for so long and it never lets you down. And also, if you want a tutorial on how to access it with Python code, just let me know in the comments. Also, I've got some really interesting stuff coming up on this channel, like a video on running ComfyUI for free. And I'm also building AI project that automatically edits video, which I'm really excited to share with you guys. And yeah, my AI engineering learning roadmap is also in the lineup. So if you're interested in AI projects and challenges and my learning journey and resources like this, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one.